The Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man, which is a 3D motion simulator ride.
And yours. Be careful. Nice shades.
That's Spider-Man. They're no good. Red leotard.
Dr. Octopus, everything's going as planned.
Excellent. With my anti-gravity cannon, even Spider-Man won't be able to stop me.
You raised our ass.
Yes, of course. Hey, what's going on?
What was that? Intruder! If you think you're getting out of here, you're in for it.
So much for being careful. Just get back to the bugle and...
Things are starting to... Well, it's good enough for your sitting duck friend.
Hey, wait for me! You're not insured for this! Hang on, I'm letting you down from here!
You punks have short-circuited our plans long enough.
You're taking a dive.
Guess again, Super
Happy landings.
Guess that wraps things up. You guys did all right. But don't give up your day job. Say cheese. See you later.
Congratulations, you're heroes. I knew it all the time.
Good job, Team Scoop. You did great. Now when the scoop comes to a stop.
Along there you'll find more shops and some refreshment stands where you can refresh yourself with ice cold lemonade. There's also a fruit stand down there as well. In the shops they've got a huge range of Marvel merchandise, ranging from pajamas to drinks mugs and figures to collectibles and other pins and various bits and bobs. So you can take a stroll through the shops and get a bit of air conditioning, cool down a little bit in the Florida heat before you head down to the Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man. And there's also a face painting stand as well, obviously for an additional charge, but you can go there and you or your kids can have your face painted, and you can spend the day walking around as a tiger or Spider-Man or whatever you might fancy.